Oh, you thought that was cool? Wait till you see this. Okay. So now that we've blown your mind with the FCPXML import thing, don't get too comfortable. Let me tell you about another little piece of magic we casually built into AVScript. No big deal. It's called Story AI, and honestly, it's kind of showing off. Here's the deal. Story AI looks at your footage and doesn't see video. Nope, it sees a beautifully organized pile of classified data. Like a very polite, very obsessive librarian who's been through every frame of your material and taken notes. And we sort that data into 3 delicious flavors. Transcribe, every word captured. Emotions, yes, it knows when you're sad, or excited, or pretending to be excited. Vision, what's actually in the shot. Objects, people, scenes, vibes. Now here's where we get fancy. You decide what you want to use. Because metadata costs money to process, and we're not about to sneak charges in like some shady streaming subscription. So before anything happens, you head into our pipeline. A beautifully transparent little dashboard that says, "Hey friend, here's what this is gonna cost you per minute. Wanna proceed?" You check the boxes, you see the price, you nod approvingly, and you hit confirm. Adult decisions, respect. Then comes the fun part. You walk into Story AI like you own the place. It greets you, takes you by the hand, and walks you through the process step by step. You tell it what kind of story you want. It thinks, it analyzes, it probably judges your B-roll a little, and then, boom, it serves you up a story suggestion on a silver platter. But here's the kicker, you can keep talking to it. Yeah, you can literally have a conversation with your own footage. Ask it questions, push back, tell it the pacing is off. Ask for a funnier version, a sadder version, a version where the cat appears more often. Whatever you want. In our case, we just politely asked, "Hey Story AI, could you put our scrambled material back in the correct order, please?" And kaboom! It did. Like it was nothing. Like we hadn't deliberately destroyed the script earlier just to mess with it. Then we exported the whole thing back out as an FCPXML, with all the metadata baked in, because of course we did, through our program that, by the way, actually cares about you. Because here at AVScript, we believe in a beautiful dying concept. Pay once, it's yours forever. No monthly subscription, no premium tier, no, "oh sorry, that feature now costs extra." You buy it, you own it. The end. I know, revolutionary. Someone alert the tech industry. So yeah, that's Story AI, inside AVScript, doing things video editors used to dream about while crying into their timelines at 3 a.m. You're welcome. See you in the next one, and try not to fall in love with it too fast. After 2 decades working in broadcast television, I kept watching the same painful ritual repeat itself. A journalist shoots 3 hours of interviews. She knows exactly which moments matter. She writes time codes on paper. She hands that paper to an editor. The person who knows the story is rarely the person who knows the editing software. The editor retypes every time code into Final Cut Pro by hand. Double work. Every project, every time. Editors and journalists from newsrooms around the world reached out. The problem was universal. AVScript launched in 2019 as a proper web platform. Then life happened. The project went quiet. We rebuilt AVScript from the ground up. AI changed everything. The core workflow is the same. Mark, select, export. You select a sentence in the transcript, and AVScript sets the in and out points automatically.